Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best laser controller on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product review video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. FireRay AWC7813 Laser Controller. If you are looking for high-quality laser controller and have a limited budget, FireRay AWC7813 Laser Controller will be your best choice. It's made of high-quality material and with MK2.1 main controller. It is a suitable laser controller system for CO2 laser engraving cutting machine. With MK2.1 main controller, it is easy to replace and save your cost. Perfectly fits for CO2 laser engraving cutting machine, such as light Ruida Litro, Airwolf and so on. Number 4. Wavetopsign Ruida RDC6442G. Ruida Laser Controller RDC6442G is a laser DSP controller with a high technology and high cost-effective product. It is one of the top laser controllers in China now. It can control the laser power of the laser head, set the laser working mode, the parameter of RF remote control, the parameter of automatic working, the parameter of laser power regulation, the parameter of laser engraving, and the parameter of laser cutting. It has high stability, long life and good performance. Number 3. StartNow 6442G Laser Controller. The StartNow 6442G CO2 laser control card is a card that controls the RDC6442G motherboard system DSP controller. It is a common control card for Ruida CNC laser engraving machines. The StartNow 6442G laser control card is a classic laser control with its own DSP, which performs internal image processing, image recognition, external image display, and laser power control. Through the DSP controller works with the host computer Windows XP, Windows 7, to complete a complex set of tasks. Number 2. ZCNC AWC7813 Laser Controller. The AWC7813 is a PC-based CO2 laser controller. It works by converting a PC's parallel port into a high-speed serial interface that is connected directly to a diode pump solid-state (DPSS) laser. The AWC708 operates a laser diode as a light source, produces a light beam, and collimates it into a thin, parallel light beam. It also contains the necessary circuitry so that the user can control and measure the beam's power. All these functions are achieved entirely by software. The AWC708 is a self-contained unit with the exception of the power supply. The power supply can be split from the AWC7813 with a cable, allowing for easy installation. Number 1. CloudRay Ruida RDC6442G Laser Controller. The CloudRay Ruida RDR6442G CO2 Laser DSP controller is a high-power and performance laser controller that is capable of operating either CO2 or fiber optics lasers. It features a single integrated laser management system with a 128-bit LMS micro-core processor and 64-byte memory that enables the management of multiple peripheral laser and non-laser subsystems, provides optimized power management and superior signal processing. It features an LCD touchscreen and an intuitive graphical user interface that provides a comprehensive system configuration and operation. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product review video from the channel.